What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. If it is your first time, baby, get comfortable, take your shoes off, stay a while, grab a blanket, turn on your favorite channel because you're in my living room, and we are bringing you a different kind of video today, which is I'm so excited about. I know I love y'all. I love y'all loving my clothing hauls. I love doing clothing hauls, but you know, let's break out and do something a little different. It's still product review, if you will. But the amazing people at Fabfitfun reached out to me to sponsor this video of unboxing their winter 2019 box. So if you haven't heard of Fabfitfun, which I honestly hadn't prior to this, but it is a quarterly subscription box where you can customize things from beauty, skincare, lifestyle products, hair products, and things like that. And what sets them apart from other companies is that instead of using like trial size or like travel size of products in their boxes, you get a full size product. The box is huge, it's kind of heavy, but you get full size products that you can try. And I'm really excited about that, because my thing is, like, in other boxes, if I like something, it's like they give me this little itty bitty tiny thing, and then once it's done, it's like, well, now what? The really cool thing about this is the boxes are valued around like $200, but they're only $49.99. And because I love y'all so much, and it's the holiday season, and if I could give all of y'all a gift, I would. So here it is. I'm gonna give you $10 on your first box. No, it's okay. You don't have, you're welcome. Oh, it's okay. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. No, but seriously, $10 off of your first box to make it $39.99. So you're getting $200 worth of stuff for $39.99. Like, how dope is that? So what we're gonna do is go through the winter box, and I'm gonna show you like the kind of stuff that was in this box. And again, you can customize yours when you get yours for the next quarter. And yeah, if this is something that is of interest to you, keep watching. If it's not, still keep watching, and I will see you at the end of the video to go over a little bit more information. Okay, so this is actually what the box looks like. It's got a little lady on there ice skating, you know, wintry, whatever. Super duper cute. So yeah, let's break this bad boy open. So the first thing you see when you open the box is a Fabfitfun magazine, and in this it basically explains a lot of the different products that you will find in the box. So that's really fun. So next you have like some coupons, and like, so this is for $100 off of any purple mattress, and it gives you like a sample of what the mattress feels like, and it's really soft and squishy. I'd like to sleep on that. And just like HelloFresh gift card, and like a Sterling Forever gift card for $30 off. Just a few of those little things. And let's just see, the first item that I see is, well, that was anticlimactic. There we are. It looks like eyeshadow. Yes. Ooh, it's by Beauty Bakery. I've actually never tried anything from Beauty Bakery, and it's called the Proof is in the Pudding Eye Paddle Shallot. Eye paddle shallot. Eyeshadow palette. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. At least I thought I was. Hold on. So, ooh, okay. You got like some, let's see if I can get this. Kind of like everyday wear kind of colors. Some nudes, some neutrals. Super cute. I should have got my nails redone for this video, but you know what? We just gonna look past it. Does it smell like? Definitely does not. It does not smell like pudding, but that's okay. So the names of the different eyeshadows are named after pudding, so I think that's really cute. But you have rice pudding, chia pudding, bread pudding, mango pudding, spiced caramel, butterscotch, nana pudding, warm cocoa, and almond jelly. That's really fun. How exciting. I can't wait to try this. Next, I see a piece of jewelry. Is this a necklace, or I don't know. I can't tell if it's a necklace or a bracelet, but we'll open it up in just a second. But it's by Adore. It's like a rose gold color with a circle, and it has a Swarovski crystal. That's exciting. I've seen this in Nordstrom before, this brand anyway. So let's see what that looks like. Oh, this is pretty. I think it's a bracelet. I think it's way too small to be a, yeah, it's definitely a bracelet. Unless you got a skinny neck, then it could be a necklace if you got a skinny neck. This is pretty. I don't have any way to clasp this on myself, but you can get an idea. I still have the plastic on it, but how pretty is that, right? Looks really pretty against my skin tone too. So this is exciting. So next up we have this Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub that I am so excited about. If you don't know me, let me just tell you, I love scrubs of any kind, whether it's like a lip scrub or like a body scrub, especially coffee scrubs, because they're supposed to like exfoliate and then get rid of like cellulite, and I got water cellulite. So this is really neat. It says how to use. Get naked and get wet in the shower. Massage scrub over the entire body. Reseal waterproof bag and keep me in the shower. Rinse your body. Oh, okay, so this is for 2 to 3 uses, or 2 to 3 times per week for best results. So this is not just a one-time deal. That's exciting, because I was just thinking like this is a lot for one shower, but you can reseal the bag and keep it in the shower with you. So that is exciting. I have to let y'all know how that go. If y'all see me glowing, that's why. Next up, I see a makeup eraser, which I'm so excited to try. I have never tried before. Focus, focus. Yeah, I've never tried makeup erasers before, or a makeup eraser, so I'm really excited to see what that's about. Let me just get this open. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just like a washcloth. It's really soft, really soft. It's a pretty pink color, but apparently I have heard that these work really well, that you just, you know, it instead of, in lieu of a makeup wipe, you use this instead. And like, I heard they last like 3 to 5 years if you take care of it right. So that's exciting, because I really, this might be nasty to say, but I really don't like washing my face, especially like washing my makeup off. I go to sleep with my makeup on all the time. I know it's horrible, but you know, what can you do? Sometimes like I'm up really late filming videos, like I might lay down at like 5 o'clock in the morning. Who's washing their face at 5 o'clock in the morning when they've been up all night? Not I. That's what pillowcases are for. So anyway, my pillowcase will be very happy that I got this, because I'll definitely try this out and get this popping. Next up, I see this Erno Laszlo New York Exfoliate Detox Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. I love a good mask, but check this out. That's what it looks like on the box. And let's see, distressed skin calls for powerful measures. This hydrating detoxifying mask is the perfect antidote to fight impurities and boost skin's natural defenses. Ooh, I'm excited to boost my natural defenses. I am so excited to try this. Let me open this up real quick. So this is what it looks like. Again, full-size product, so hopefully I love this. And these are like high-end products, if I'm not mistaken. There we go, focus. Yeah, these are high-end products. So again, you get full-size products. The boxes are okay. It doesn't smell like anything. So next up we have this Prep Rally. Oh, this is from Dry Bar. Okay. Heat protected, so it protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Like, that's necessary, especially for natural hair, so you don't get any heat damage on your curls. But I honestly might use this on like my units also. But it's formulated with biotin, vitamins B and C, and UV blockers. It's a lightweight detangler and protects hair from heat up to 450 degrees. That's awesome. You know, I gotta smell it. But it is shrink wrapped for its life, child. Ain't nobody getting up in this easily. Okay, so we're back in unshrink wrapped. Shrink wrap. It smells good. It smells like something I've smelled before, but it might just be like a hair product or something like that. But it smells like it works, so we're gonna we're gonna see. But it's cute packaging. It's like a soft pink. It's really, really cute. So next up we have this Cusio Somatology Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash for your daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. I love lavender anything. This bottle is really pretty. I'm so excited. Let's read what this says. Okay, so it's supposed to calm, clean, and smooth your body. I need all of that. Let's see what this smells like. We already know if it got lavender and it's gonna smell amazing. Ooh. Wait, is it just for your hands or hand and body? Yep, can't wait to get up in the shower. It just smells really relaxed. It literally smells like lavender, but I am so excited to try this out. It just seems like it's gonna soothe your whole body and get your mind right, you know? Like, I need all of that. So I guess like yoga, that's what it meant, like it's calming. Okay, I'm here for this. I'm ready to try this. Again, I don't know how to pronounce the brand. Is it Cusio? I don't know. Y'all tell me. I ain't all fancy or whatever. So last but not least, I think the brand is R Plus Co. and Television. I don't know. I've never heard of this, but it's Perfect Hair Shampoo and Perfect Hair Conditioner. And the two of them go together. And one of my coworkers actually said that her hairstylist, or her, you know, the place she gets her hair done, hair salon, uses this brand. So I've never heard of it, but I will definitely give it a try. It's paraben and sulfate free, which is necessary. Petroleum plus mineral oil free, cruelty and gluten free, vegan, and UV protect. You get it? Okay. All right, let's see what this is talking about. I'll give this a go. It's almost time for me to wash my hair anyway, so I'll definitely give it a try. So that is all in this Fabfitfun unboxing for their winter 2019 box. Again, if you are interested, use code Nikki for $10 off of your first box. They are only $49.99, and again, full customization. So I mean, like, you can get things like blankets, house shoes, makeup, skincare, hair care. You can get all this kind of stuff just sent in full-size products, where it's kind of like a one-stop shop. And again, it's $49.99, and yours will obviously be $39.99. So why not just, you know, get a box and try it out? So thank you so much again, Fabfitfun, for thinking of little old me to try this out. I'm so excited to try so many of these products. Like I said, I swatched the eyeshadows on my hand, and then I used the makeup remover, and it came off in one swipe. So I am about to be so excited to wipe all of my makeup off as soon as I hit stop record on this video. But yeah, thank you so much. I can't wait to try that coffee scrub. I can't wait to try the lavender body oil scrub, or not scrub, but soap or whatever. I am so excited to try everything in here. So yes, make sure you go ahead and get yourself a box. All the information will be in the description box, so you don't have to go too far. But comment below and let me know if you've ever tried any of these products, or if these are any of your faves, or if you plan on getting a subscription box. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Okay. See you next time.